What if the hardest part of selling on Etsy isn't creating a product, but knowing what to create in the first place? That's exactly where EtsyEmpire AI comes in. In this review, I'll show you what it claims to do, who it's actually for, and whether the current offer is worth considering. Quick disclosure: this video contains an affiliate link, so I may earn a commission if you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Here's the problem. You can create hundreds of beautiful digital products, but if nobody is searching for them, you're basically creating products in the dark. You need an idea with demand. Then you need the design. Then the Etsy title, description, keywords, and tags. And doing all of that manually can become extremely time-consuming. EtsyEmpire AI is designed to bring those steps together. According to its sales page, it can help research Etsy niches and identify potential opportunities by looking at competition, buyer feedback, and existing listings. Once you have an idea, the platform claims it can generate printable designs in different styles and variations. But this is where it gets more interesting. It doesn't stop with the design. EtsyEmpire AI also claims to generate the Etsy listing content, including titles, descriptions, keywords, and all 13 Etsy tags. So instead of jumping between multiple tools, the goal is to move from research to product creation to listing preparation inside one workflow. The platform also promotes features for managing designs, creating products in batches, and preparing products for multiple marketplaces. Now, there's something important you should know. This does not mean you upload AI products and automatically start making money. And I would not buy it based on income screenshots or earnings examples shown on the sales page. Those are vendor-presented examples, not guaranteed results. You still need to choose the right niche, review the AI-generated designs, make sure everything is original and usable, and understand what your customers actually want. So who is EtsyEmpire AI for? If you're a beginner who wants to enter the Etsy digital product market but doesn't want to spend hours learning separate research, design, and listing tools, this is where the platform becomes interesting. It could also make sense for existing sellers who want to speed up product research and listing creation. But if you want completely passive income with zero effort, this probably isn't for you. Now, according to the current sales page, the early bird offer is listed at $17, with lifetime access and no recurring fee. The page also mentions a commercial license and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Those offer details can change, so check the checkout page for the current terms before buying. My verdict: EtsyEmpire AI is interesting because its main advantage isn't simply generating AI images. It's the workflow. Research the opportunity. Create the product. Generate the listing. Review it. And then publish. If you're serious about building an Etsy digital product business and your biggest obstacle is the time required to turn an idea into a finished listing, EtsyEmpire AI is worth taking a closer look at. Just remember, the software can simplify the process, but it can't replace good product decisions and real market demand. I've put the EtsyEmpire AI link below if you want to check out the current offer. And if you want more honest AI software reviews without unrealistic income promises, subscribe to Ethan Cole, AI Expert.